Imagine this. Across thousands of miles of American highways, a group of Buddhist monks are walking. They're not walking for fame, and they're not protesting. They're walking for peace. Starting in Texas and heading all the way to Washington, D.C., these monks are on a journey of over 2,000 miles. It's a spiritual pilgrimage to share a message our world desperately needs right now: peace, unity, and compassion. There are about 24 monks from the Wang Tao Buddhist community on this walk. They live a simple life on the road, walking each day with mindful intention. And as they pass through towns and cities, they invite every community to join them in this shared wish for peace. Their message is simple, yet incredibly powerful. Peace begins within each of us and grows outward from there. In a world that often feels so full of division, their walk is a living reminder that compassion and connection are what truly matter. And walking right alongside them is Aloka, a dog who many see as a beautiful symbol of light and faithful companionship on this long journey. Every wag of her tail seems to echo the group's hopeful message. This walk isn't about religion or politics. It's about reminding all of humanity that peace isn't just something we wish for. It's something we actively practice. Every single step these monks take is an invitation for us to be more compassionate, to be more present in our own lives, and to be kinder to one another. Of course, you don't have to walk thousands of miles to make a difference. You can start right now, today, in the words you choose, the actions you take, and how you treat the people around you. From the heart of Texas to the nation's capital, step by step, may this incredible walk remind us all that peace truly begins with each and every one of us. Thanks for watching! If this story moved you, please consider subscribing for more content that inspires. Here's a blessing from the Buddhist monks, just for you.